Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Open settings and set location to high accuracy so the phone uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks together. Once done, make sure Google Maps has location permission set to allow only while using the app. Restart the device to clear transient sensor issues and then open Maps to observe the blue dot. If it's missing, toggle location off and on again, because that resets the radio and often restores fixes quickly. Next, you handle more detailed fixes. Calibrate the compass with the figure 8 motion so direction data becomes accurate. This matters when the blue arrow drifts. Then go to App Settings, clear Google Maps cache, not necessarily data unless needed, and confirm the app is updated. Also check battery saver or location accuracy settings. These throttle GPS. Once adjusted, reopen Maps and wait a minute for a cold start fix. If indoors, step outside for a clear sky view to speed satellite lock. Finally, you complete the process and prepare for edge cases. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app conflicts with location services, and try another mapping app to confirm whether the problem is system or map specific. If issues persist, reset network settings to rebuild GPS and ACTS data, and install any pending system updates because firmware can fix sensor bugs. Make sure to test GPS with a diagnostics app. If hardware fails, you'll need repair. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.